So guys, we're on the shuttle bus from the airport, Parkton Airport, to the Longstay Park. So we're now going to the terminal. And like Keisha. Just touched down in the airport. Tracksuit, I'm an Air Force. We're taking off.
We are live on channel 4. Please do not swear.
Yeah, guys, we'll see you when we land. In Jesus' name.
Amen. All of you have to say amen.
Everybody say amen in the comments. Rise and shine. First morning in Portugal. And yep. And your girl is tired. We landed at like 11 and we decided to go out. But now we're going to get breakfast. Hopefully the Portuguese breakfast menu is nice because I need sausages, beans and egg. That's exactly what I need. Guys, you know the weather here is actually kind of cold. Like, I've got goosebumps. Freezing. Like, it's actually a bit cold. Okay, guys. Let's see. What's this? So guys, it's a bit very cold in Portugal. It's a bit breezy. Obviously it's so nice, the sun is out, like it's a nice kind of, but it's still a bit breezy. So we came to this mall here, Bershka, Zara. We came here to buy maybe some leggings or some leggings or some what's it called, a hoodie or something, just so that, you know, we can keep warm. But yeah, go.
Is that a yawn? No, I was trying to sneeze, but it's not. He said, man,
You are Chad.
what was that?
So that tastes like a bit like Jägermeister.
Yeah.
I found myself a cheerleader.
She is always right there.
When I need her.
I'm gonna have 1.1 million views in Jesus' name.
Yeah.
No one can take this from me.
That's it then.
What? Do you know who's jealous of me right now?
Who?
Naomi fucking Campbell.
That's it.
Shake my ass.
Dang. Hey, oh yeah, shake your ass now. Oh yeah, talk it to. Oh. Guys, don't drink sangria. Do the keeper. The keeper. 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 Peru, Peru, para. I'm loose. Even Peru don't take para. When they want me, when they want me. I'm in San Francisco, jamming.
Because believe me,
Stand out here.
you end up looking like this.
Good morning, guys. It's 8:38 in the morning. He's just here making noise, just up and down, just.
I didn't even make any noise.
Opening and shutting doors.
I opened it.
Just making footsteps. Just
I
throwing.
climbed out of bed
She's throwing
because
stuff.
lads on tour. Lads are on tour.
No chance, man. I am tired. I just want to sleep, man. Wish I could just sleep. Yesterday I drank my heart's content. Get all inclusive, they said. Get all inclusive. That's what they told me to do. All inclusive means that it'd be done at AFM.
Really?
Unlimited alcohol. Bruh. He had 4 sangrias, like 5 shots. So like, and these lots were saying shot after the other.
Shot.
Actually, I'm gonna put some clips just to show you how what kind of friends
Lads
I'm with.
on tour.
And it's me that started lads on.
No, it was you.
It's me that started lads on tour. Now I'm like, yeah, I'm not going for breakfast. I don't really.
Lads are not on tour no.
No, lads are on tour still. I'm meant to be going for breakfast, but I'm not really a morning eater, so I'm not gonna go because I can't be asked to get out either. So I'm gonna prepare myself for the beach. Going to the beach. Marina Beach is what it's called, or something like that. All the beaches at the marina. One or the other. Something like that. But when I'm ready.
Bye guys, make sure you like, subscribe, link in the back.
I'm screaming. Bye guys. So I said I wasn't gonna get breakfast. Here I am. Something about baked beans makes me get breakfast. I love beans. Bon appetit. Actually, yeah, I might take one. So today's beach day, guys. As you can see, I'm beach ready. So's Keisha and Sinead and Danny Boo.
Lads on tour.
That's our motto. Lads on tour. So we're waiting for Mr. Akiba, and then we're gonna be out to the beach. Hopefully the wind isn't too much. Sorry for y'all with Eunice.
Lads on tour. Lads on tour.
Sorry for you guys that are dealing with Auntie Eunice and her cousin. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna see y'all at the beach. So guys, I'm about to ride the motorcycle. Yeah, they ride motorcycle here. I'm about to be screwing, you know how I do. It's very cheap as well, guys. So we're at the marina and the quad costs like 15 or 10 euros. About 15 minutes. So we're just gonna do a screw and be gone.
Going on a Segway for the first time.
Is it?
Hopefully, have you been on one?
A Segway? Yeah. I think you do it in Paris.
That was scooter.
It's the same thing, man.
Nah, fam. But anyways, got my helmet on. I look cute or whatever.
Ready for the baggie?
So, is the throttle?
Yeah.
Brakes.
Okay.
Never throttle on the brake at the same time.
Okay.
Try to keep feet inside the baggie so
Okay.
you don't turn over.
Cool.
And don't turn too fast.
Okay, thank you.
Be careful. Careful.
So this is to go.
Yes.
Here we're at. I'm in a big mood.
So lads on tour. Lads on tour. What? What? What?
Do that keeper. 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 Do that
Lads on tour.
So guys, we've got our Lads on Tour bus.
Yep.
We're on the Lads on Tour bus. And it's taking us to Praia de Penaco, which is La Beach.
La Beach.
La Beach.
So today we went on a. What did we do? We went on a. We went.
Can't remember what you just
we
said.
did. Oh yeah.
quad bike.
I did Segway for the first time, and actually I did a great job.
I should have tried that.
And Akiba, done the Akiba, I guess.
I played some arcade game, that's all I did, boy.
Oh,
did you?
Yeah, just playing arcade game.
Fam, this guy always Spanish.
Guys, every time someone does the Akiba, yeah, we have to take a shot.
Yeah. Anytime somebody says do that keeper, you have to
Take a shot.
you have to do that.
Do the Akiba and take a shot.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Her guys.
Lads on tour.
Lads on tour.
A few moments later.
Delicious.
To be honest, yeah, the day that I'm gonna give you is a bit mad. I want you to run.
So we're playing truth or dare. No, not truth or dare, just dares.
All the
We're just
way.
playing games. We're playing games.
Yeah, but that's what I want you to do.
Daring games.
She's a runner, she's a track star. No, get up and run all the way down there. Okay, you see where those two guys are? That's where we need to run.
Oh, yeah, Mars!
Is the toilet clean?
It's alright.
No, Sinead is still. She's still.
Eki, why did you give her that there? Eki, why did you give her that there? You're a wicked person.
I think she made it up. I've never
No,
heard
no,
that.
no, trust me. Google it. Booyakasha.
No, no.
Run!
Run!
And say your.
Say a prayer.
Booyah!
Booyah!
Keep saying it. Look at Sinead. Look at
Screaming!
Say it louder. Sinead.
Well done! You made it!
Oh, baby, keep on burning. We're rolling down the rainbow.
How you guys feeling about parasailing?
Can you hear us? Can you actually hear us?
I think so, maybe.
I'm feeling quite excited actually.
Tired?
No, excited.
Excited, yeah? How you feeling, Sinead?
I'm ready for it.
How you feeling, B?
I'm scared.
I can't even express my feelings.
You scared?
Like, I'm anxious. I'm always anxious in it, so I'm anxious.
Don't worry.
This is about to be mad.
Just don't take my hat, that's all I'm saying.
And when we drink with Sinead, she does it on the neck. 7, 6. Lift music. Can I get a margarita, please? If that's okay. Sorry? Margarita.
This is delicious.
It's actually giving me the same vibes.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you. Delish. Delish.
Yes, it's on the
Delish.
Yes, it's on the
Delish. Or Delash. She actually danced.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning! I need to turn off this stupid TV, to be very honest with you. My face is dry. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Last day of Portugal. We didn't make it out last night. Definitely fell asleep. Did you make it out last night?
I did.
She made it out to the bed. That's where she made it out to. So as you can see, we are just packing our stuff, ready to go back to London. And yeah, currently we're just gonna go get some breakfast and trying to finish all my euros that I have.
Favors come bearing gifts. He's come bearing sangria. Thank you.